Hi friends, welcome to ransom.com. Today we are going to see about Grav CMS. Grav is a free and open source content management system. Grav does not use the database to store its data. Instead of storing a data in MySQL, it stores as flat file in markdown format. Grav is written in PHP and contains score of plugins for users to use. Okay friends, now I am going to show you how to install Grav CMS on PopOS. Pre-requirements are you have to install Apache and PHP. In my machine I have already installed Apache and PHP. For installing Grav CMS, you have to download a package of Grav CMS. You can download it from its official site or else using this command. After downloading a package, now we are going to extract the downloaded package. Because our extracted package is a zip file, we are going to unzip the zip file using a command unzip and then download a package name. After extraction, move the extracted directory to HTML location using this command mv and then extracted directory name and then var www.html grave. After moving, now we are going to change the ownership and permission of the directory grave in HTML location. Changing the ownership using the command ch1 capital R www.data www.data and then location of the directory. After that, changing the permission using a command chmod capital R and then permission 775 and then location of the directory. After changing the permission, now we are going to create a virtual host for Grav CMS. For that, you have to create a new file in site available location named grav.conf. In the file, you have to give the entry like this for virtual hosting. After that, save the file and exit from the file. After creating a virtual host, now we are going to enable the newly created conf file using a command a to n site and then conf name grave.conf, and then we are going to disable the default conf using a command a to this site 000-default.conf. After that, now we are going to change the values in php.ini file. For that, open a php.ini file. This is the command to enter into a php.ini file. In the file, you have to change the value of memory limit 128 to 256 and then change upload max file size 2 MB to 100 MB. After that, change maximum execution time 30 to 360. After that, you have to configure a time zone. For that, you have to enable this line and then add your time zone. After that, save the file and exit from the file. And then you have to enable the rewrite module using a command a to n mod rewrite. After that, we are going to restart the Apache service using a command systemctl restart apache 2. After restart, you have to give the entry in a host file. For that, open a host file. In the file, you have to give the entry your machine IP followed by your domain name. After that, save the file and exit from the file. Now, open a browser and then give the URL as your domain name or else your machine IP. It will redirect it to the admin page of Grav, and then it will ask to fill the user details. Fill the details. After filling the details, click create user. It will open the admin dashboard of Grav. These are the installation of Grav CMS on PopOS. I hope this video will informative for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.